Hi everybody and welcome back to another Made Up in May. I am taking the Bperfect Carnival palette and I'm going to go in with this dark navy called Mood. I decided to try a different way of doing a cut crease today. So I'm using an angled brush. This is the Spectrum A17 and I was going to map out my shape with this and it was all going well. Don't get me wrong. And then I decided to use a My Precise Crease brush by my Kitco to thicken up the line, and it just kind of went messy. But I rolled with it. I'm just telling you that's what happened, as you can see here. It wasn't too bad. It's just more my blending brush later gets a bit too big, but we'll get to that in a minute. So I'm just buffing in this colour, just making it nice and pigmented. I then go in with the shade Sky, which is a lighter blue, on a Morphe A36 brush. I wish I'd used a smaller brush, but YOLO. I do go a bit too far in the inner corner. As you can see, it's a bit messy there, but I do clean it up later when I'm cleaning up the cut. So this is just patting all that colour down, blending it in with the navy. Lots of backwards and forwards. This is where I use too big of a blender brush. This is a Spectrum B06 brush, but I don't mind. It just meant that bit at the top was a bit messy, but we rolled with it. Right, I wiped a bit of the lid stuff off just to get the shape that I wanted, and then I'm neatening it up now with the concealer. It took me ages to do this cut because I kept getting blue in my concealer and it was just stressing me out. Anyway, after I do that cut, I go in with the Max & More eyeshadow primer by Home Bargains and the K-Rose B pigment in Spellbound. The Max & More eye primer is a really good base for pigments. It just makes them stick nicer. And how stunning is this pigment? I've left a code on the screen, which is the discount code I have for K-Rose B. It's not affiliated. It just saves you 15%. And I really, really rate their pigments. I also forgot to say that's what I did for the Spectrum brushes as well. None of my codes are affiliated. I'm then going in with the Blush Tribe Purple Gel Liner. It doesn't have a name, so it's just the Purple Gel Liner. And I go in with an angled brush by my Kitco because I could not find my Zoeva 317 anywhere. And I've got 4 of them, but can't find them. Anyway, I'm going in with this, creating a line. It's really weird though, right? When I look back at editing, I see where I could have fixed things, but I can't see when I'm in the mirror. Anyway, I'm going in with the Wispy Winks Lavender Glitter Gel Liner. The code that flashed up then, launch 1, is their own code. It's nothing to do with me, but I thought I'd share it anyway because it saves you 10%. And these glitter gel liners are amazing. I cannot rate them enough. And they've got 10 different colours, so definitely check them out. Like I say, this is lavender. It's got a green glitter in it, but look at that. Oh, so pretty. I then do go in my waterline with that Blush Tribe liner again, and then I go underneath with the dark navy and the light blue. I'm sorry, my angle is all off, and I knocked my light, hence why the lighting suddenly got brighter. Going back in with the palette, I go in with this shade. I can't remember. I think it's called Moody or Moony, something like that. And I go in me in a corner, and I also top that with a bit of the K-Rose B pigment to bring the blue back out. I'm going in with these lashes by Olivia Bell called Kimmy. First I'm putting some NYX brow gel on and then I plonk the lashes on, but you can't see what the hell I'm doing. Oh, I'm really going to have to work on my angles. And that is the final look. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I love how this look came out. It might have been messy and it might have took me a while. My eyes are killing me. But I just think it's such a pretty look and I can't get over it. And like I say, definitely check out K-Rose B, definitely check out Wispy Winks. Just check them all out. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys!